Hi my viewers, today I want to share with you how my new RV washing machine works. We tried it before, but I want to share with you how it goes. This is the one. It is the Zeny. It has a timer, a selector. It comes with a water hose, with a drain hose on this side. It doesn't have a pump. It is pure gravity draining. Later on, when you spin the same, when you fill it up with water, you have to make sure the hose is up like that. Later on, when you spin, the hose has to be down so the water can get out. This is the inside of it. I already put water in there. You can get the water in with this water hose here, which I wouldn't recommend. It's very thin, as you can see. So I just fill it up with water manually in here. So then what you have to do, just put the soap in there and your dirty laundry. So I got some laundry in there, laundry detergent. All you do is close the lid, go to the selector, make sure it is set on wash. As you can see up there, wash. Put the selector on wash and turn the timer on. All the way to 15 minutes. And that's how it goes. I hope you can see it. What I like about that machine, it turns left and right. It alternates. That makes it really clean. And now all we have to do is wait till the timer turns off. I see you then. So as you can see, the timer went off. It stopped washing. Now what you have to do, get the drainage hose. That's on the side, that one. And drain the water out. Just like that. Till the washer is completely empty. So now if all the water is drained, you can see it inside. You take the laundry out. And put it in this basket that comes with the washing machine. Put it in there. Then you put it back in the machine. And when you turn it, it locks in down there. You need to put that white lid in there, and that's it. Then you close it. Make sure you leave the drainage hose down there. Then you turn it from wash to spin, and now turn the timer on. And now comes what I don't like about the machine. See this? It is an absolutely nightmare. It's just wobbling. So the washing part is okay, but the spinning part, it's basically useless because you have to hold it the whole time. For 15 minutes. No, you could say, oh yeah, it's because it's on a table. But I show you it's the same if it's on the ground. So now it's on the ground, and as you can see, it is the same. It's just walking around. You gotta hold it. So that's the part I don't like about that machine. It is really okay if you just put one t-shirt in there and a pair of socks, and that's it. You can't put more in there, or it's so unbalanced. So would I buy it again? I don't think so. I bought that on Amazon and paid like 80 bucks for it. There are better ones for like $120. So I definitely wouldn't buy it again. But so final verdict, would I buy it again? No, I would not. But thank you again for watching, and have a good day. Bye.